Hi, Cherian Koshi here with another model tutorial for the content engine of the Nonprofit Operating System. Today we'll be going through the landing page module, and so you'll click landing page from the drop-down and hit continue. The reason why I created this model was because I was working with a lot of organizations who had some kind of a product or a course or something like that on their website, and the information on that page didn't necessarily convey the best practices of what a landing page should look like. So maybe it was something that they posted on social media that took you to a page on the website, or maybe it was just an offering that they had as part of the nonprofit process. And we're going to use the example of a performing arts summer camp for kids. And one of the things that I've committed to doing during these videos is not to edit the video. So if the AI comes up with something that we don't like, we have a way of addressing that. Here's what the AI produced. And this is what would go on your website for a performing arts summer camp, for example. It says, "Welcome to the Young Actors Workshop." This is obviously something you would want to edit with whatever the name was. "We're so glad you're interested in the summer camp for kids. Program is based on a fun and supportive environment for young people to explore their creativity and build self-confidence." So right off the bat, we start out with who this is for and what it would be, what the program is. Here are some things that make our program great. We have a proven track record of helping kids. Our campers come from diverse backgrounds. Our staff is professional and experienced. So we want to validate the concerns that someone might raise and answer those concerns. And then we want a call to action at the end. So if you're looking for a summer camp that will provide your child with a safe and nurturing environment to grow and learn, we urge you to consider the Young Actors Workshop. Please contact us if you have any questions. We'd be happy to chat with you. So the idea here is then you would click on edit, you would make the changes to the text as you felt necessary. So certainly the title, maybe some specifics about the camp, maybe the cost or the duration, which of course the AI would not know about. And then instead of "please contact us," you probably have a link on the page to register or view the schedule or something like that. So you might modify that call to action. So I thought this was actually a really good generation from the AI, but there's all kinds of other things that this might produce for an organization. If you have other courses that you do, if you have a totally different idea, let's do something. And I've never tried this before, but this is the virtue of being able to do the AI tool. Let's do a golf tournament to support a community center that helps immigrants find jobs. I, for one, would have no clue what to write about a golf tournament. I've never run a golf tournament. I have no idea. So this is why I built this, was because this answers that sort of question for me or for clients that I might be involved with. Looking to get involved, support your local community, sign up for the annual golf tournament. Not bad. Community Center for Immigrants, obviously that's it assumed that was a title and we'd want to change that. Provides important resources, find jobs. Every year the center relies on the support of the community to open its doors and keep programs running. Annual golf tournaments, great way to get involved. Proceeds from the tournament go directly to fund the center's program. Last year's tournament was a huge success, raising over $20,000. With your help, we can make this year's tournament even more successful. Sign up today and help your local community. Honestly, that's better than I would have come up with, and it took 30 seconds. And of course, you would want to massively edit this with all kinds of changes around the organizational name and what you raised last year, all of that stuff. But you get the idea that you could create a pretty significant description and call to action with a handful of keywords. And so I hope this is as helpful to you as it has been for me in figuring out how to write some content for a website that drives people to action. As with all of these models and all of these videos, if you have any feedback, comment below or send us an email at hello@nonprofitoperating system.com.